Today is 12/12/23. December 12th, 2023. I'm on my way to wash dishes and do the dinner side at Westside Drive-In. Well, I noticed something today that was quite interesting in day trading, which is there's a thing called choppy market and there's a thing called trendy market. And what I attempted to do with $19 was to perform a reversion trading on a forex pair that was going up, which essentially meant that I was attempting to do a reversion trading, which is akin to catching a falling knife. You don't want to catch a falling knife. So I would make 2 to 3 trades with a $1 loss each, and each time I would get stopped out, and I would go up a little bit and I would do another reversion trading, and I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, oh look, it looks like it's going to go up, and sure enough the chart looked like it was going to go up, and sure enough it did go up. Now I had to pay $19 to figure this lesson out, which is when a stock is trending, reversion trading doesn't make any sense. Okay, it really doesn't. But if it's a choppy market, then any red candle or any green candle will substantiate a possible reversion or near a reversion point, and so entering it would have a small drawdown, and then eventually it'll go in the other direction, which is acceptable as long as I know that it is reversion trading and it needs to be traded that way. However, reversion trading when it's a trendy market is a instant loss, and after losing 4 or 5 or 6 times back to back to back, it becomes a big deal. $1 to the year, $2 or $3 or $4 makes a huge difference. So the other thing is now, so then there is this thing called that I've realized, it's called a triangle. It's almost a isosceles triangle, meaning that 2 sides are the same length and the other side is not. Okay, that's an isosceles triangle. And this time what I noticed is that I prefer, and I stick with just a single pair, which is Euro USD. And I was looking at this, and today, as I was losing $19 on that trade, I've noticed that there was a shape that was formed, which essentially meant was the candlestick was going down. Okay, and then it created a picture of a isosceles triangle, and then that isosceles triangle started to break out and move up. And what I thought was going to be a reversion, I kept losing $19. And so there is a setup called the pyramid setup. I'll call it the pyramid setup, okay, which is essentially an isosceles triangle. It's a pyramid setup. I discovered the pyramid. Many thousand years ago, people built the pyramids, but I discovered it today.